Welcome to Mooring Homes. In today's video, we are going to show you 70 beautiful spiraling flower ideas. These creative designs make it look like flowers are gently pouring out of pots, buckets, or baskets. It is a simple and fun way to add beauty to your garden, backyard, or even a small balcony. Friends, to create a spiraling flower design, all you need is a container and your favorite flowers. The container can be anything. It may be a clay pot, a metal can, a basket, or even something old like a boot or a suitcase. The idea is to place the container at an angle and plant flowers that grow downwards or spread across the ground. This gives the effect that flowers are flowing or spreading out. Friends, some of the best flowers for this design are petunia, lobelia, sweet alyssum, creeping jenny, moss rose, marigold, and trailing verbena. These flowers grow nicely and spread out, making the design look full and colorful. You can choose one flower color or mix different shades for a bold and bright look. There are so many fun containers you can use for this purpose. Try an old watering can, a paint bucket, a toy truck, or a broken flower pot. You can even use a teapot or a colander. Place them in your garden, near a pathway, or beside a tree. These ideas not only recycle old items but also give your garden a charming and unique look. These spiraling flower ideas are very simple, easy to create, and do not cost much. Friends, you can make them in just a few minutes using items you already have at home. They are perfect for flower lovers who want to try something new without needing a big budget or a lot of gardening tool. Friends, you can use these ideas in many places. Put them in your front yard to welcome guests, in your backyard for a cozy look, or on your balcony for a touch of nature. You can also place them along paths, near garden beds, or in corners that need a little color. They fit well in both small and large spaces. If you want to take your design to the next level, try making themed spiraling flower. For example, use a white jug with white flowers to look the milk spiraling, or a red spot with fairy colored blooms to create a lava flow effect. You can even match your flower colors to festive seasons like red and gold for holidays or pastel shades for spring. Friends, spiraling flower ideas work all year round. In spring, go for soft flowers like pansies and petunias. In summer, use bold colors like marigold and zinnias. For autumn, choose warm tones like orange and yellow mums. These ideas are not just pretty, these are also a fun way to keep your garden fresh and seasonal. Friends, to keep your spiraling flowers looking their best, make sure to water them regularly, especially during hot days. Thanks for watching Mooring Homes. We hope these 70 smiling flower ideas inspire you to create your own beautiful garden corner. Friends, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and creative home and garden ideas. See you in next video. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.